healthy snack alternative for every craving. All right. So let's dive into it na po. All right. Sa mga kasama na natin dito kanina, I'm sure um, you have already heard my story, no? Okay. So, Coach Nida, maraming salamat po pa sa pag-show ng aking slide. All right. So, this article is found in the Herbalife website, and this is authored by Susan Bowerman, no, one of our experts when it comes to nutrition, and she's our senior director worldwide nutrition education and training. So for the link para ma-access tong article na to, it's also available here. Screenshot nyo na lang so you can follow the link. Now, we will understand why we have food cravings. Napapatanong din ba kayo, bakit nag-crave pa din? Jay, kahit nag-healthy breakfast ako, nag-crave pa din ako. And why do we have this? Okay? And how healthy snacking can help you. Okay? So, let's move on po. All right? Sa aking, I think, yeah, this is my, that's my, ano po, tawag doon, transformation na narinig nyo na rin naman kanina. So let's move on na po sa ating um, topic. Okay? So ang tanong ko sa inyo, nagkikrave po ba kayo sa matatamis or sa mga creamy snacks? Sino nagkikrave dyan? Sometimes. Sometimes lang naman, no? Yung mga nagkikrave sa ice cream maybe or mga matatamis na pagkain, sweets, candies, no? Or mga chips. Ako mahilig po talaga ako sa chips dati pa. Pero nag-iba na yung aking mindset ngayon. So yes, kumakain pa rin ng chips, pero hindi na kasing dami ng dati. Bakit? Okay? Ito kasi mas naintindihan ko na. Okay? So let's move on to our next slide. Okay? All right. So dito, sabi nga 'di ba, yung snacking pala ay may mga purpose. Okay? Especially kapag nutritious at balance ang ating kinakain na snack, nakakatulong to para ma-energize tayo between meals. Okay? So bago ka kumain ng iyong full meal, all right? Ang small nutritious snacks can also help control your hunger. All right? During or at meal times. However, meron mga stressful situations tayo, 'di ba? Yung mga hindi inaasahan. And that can lead to mindless snacking or stress eating. Okay, sino nakaka-experience na wag nyo nang i-type. Yung mga sometimes you get to do stress eating or emotional eating. Bakit ba nangyayari to? Okay, let's next slide. We'll understand na yung nagkakaroon tayo ng food cravings pala kasi this is our body's response to stress. Okay? Nagsisend siya ng cortisol. Ito yung stress hormone. Okay? Na nasiset sa body natin to be in fight or flight mode. Okay? And our brain is being alerted that it will need fuel. Okay? Kailangan ng comfort kasi nga nasa stress ka yung katawan mo. Alright? So, kailangan niya ng something para ma-fight yung threat na yon or yung stress na yon. Okay? And ang way natin, sometimes, no, nagsa-start tayo mag-crave sa mga matatamis or sa mga salty or sometimes sa mga fatty food. Kasi we feel we get comfort from them. Okay? Now, what are these 12 healthy alternative snacks na pwede mong magamit para kahit na sa snack ka, hindi sobrang magiging bad yung impact sa katawan mo. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Okay. Una, identify muna natin saan ka ba nagki-crave? Sa matamis ba? Okay, kasi kapag nagki-crave tayo sa matamis, it means that our energy level is taking a dive. So, nanghihina ka na pala. Okay? Sometimes you also use sweets as a treat or as a reward. Okay? Pero let's be mindful, no? Kasi karamihan sa mga sweets ay mataas sa calorie and at the same time, no, yun nga, mataas sa sugar. And syempre, kasi nga, sugar sweet, di ba? Normally, ang ginagamit naman sa pagpapatamis ay sugar, refined sugar. Merong ibang klase ng sugar or pampatamis na hindi naman, or mas healthy na version. Okay? Now, itong mga to, syempre, counterproductive, especially kapag nag-lose ka ng weight or you're trying to maintain a healthy weight. Okay? So, key here is be aware, ano ba yung craving mo, sweet ba yan? And also, be mindful of the amount of sugar and yung calorie nung kinakain mo para makontrol mo din kung gaano lang kadami yung pwede mong i-take. So again, dito matututunan natin, no, hindi naman masama yung pagki-crave. Ang masama kung how you respond to your cravings. Okay? So number one, alternative snack natin. Okay? Unang-una, high protein snack. Okay? Sa ating high protein snack, Right? So next slide po tayo. Ayan. Sa ating high protein snack, instead of candy bars, you can choose yung mga high protein na mga protein snack bar or itong nilagay ko dyan, yung ating protein balls. Okay? Na pwede nating gamitin dyan ay Herbalife Shake, pwedeng rebuild, no? Pwede mo ring haluan yan ng personalized protein powder. Pero kung wala ka ng mga yan, then try other options na matataas sa protein. Bakit? Kasi ito ay nagpo-provide ng satisfaction sa craving and at the same time, no? Nakaka-control pa ng hunger because of the protein content. Okay, next naman. Okay, cooked fruit. Ang nakakatuwa sa cooked fruit, no, the texture of it makes it seem more dessert-like. So pag kinain mo siya, yung tamis, nararamdaman mo and at the same time, feeling mo talaga nasasatisfy yung iyong craving. And yan, I also listed, personal recommendation ko po ito based on experience na din. Yung nasa taas yan po yung mga kay Susan Powerman. Alright? So next, next natin ay all right. Adjusting your morning coffee. Okay, since we understand, I hope you also understand na yung mga coffee beverages na available sa ating market ay sobrang taas sa sugar, sa fat, at sa calories. So, if you're making your own, and I suggest that you make your own, no? Para mas makontrol mo yung klase ng sugar, klase ng milk na ilalagay mo. Yun nga, it's better that you go with the latte na may non-fat milk or low-fat milk kung hindi mo kaya yung black coffee and add a little bit of sweetener or cinnamon or cocoa powder para healthier yung version. And again, I have recommended products sa baba. Mahilig ka talaga sa coffee, make use of our high-protein iced coffee. Okay? Or kung gusto mo, ang hinahanap mo ay yung pang-lift din ng energy kasi nga mababa na energy mo, herbal tea concentrate. If you want sweet, then you get the apple chamomile shake. Okay? Or better yet, ako ginagawa ko minsan, so salted caramel. So dulce de leche or vanilla, tapos lalagyan ko ng coffee and a little bit of um, salt para magkaroon siya ng salted caramel flavor. So you can ask your coaches din sa mga recipes. Okay, next, number 4, we have, next po natin ay, ang ating next ay ang chocolate meal replacement shake. Okay, so kapag naman po tayo ay nasa weight loss journey na, no? At mahilig ka rin sa chocolate just like me, chose the chocolate flavored na mga protein powder as a meal replacement kasi nasa-satisfy niya yung lasa ng chocolate sa bibig natin and at the same time, and healthy naman siya. Eh, ano yung mga recommended natin na, okay, I'll try to share na lang po itong akin. Ayan, para mabilis. Thank you po. Ayan. So, yan. So, chocolate meal replacement. There you have it. All right. So, dito sa Herbalife, we have different products na may chocolate ang flavor, no? And you just have to choose from them. Pwedeng shake, pwedeng rebuild. Meron na rin tayo nung F1 Sport Creamy Vanilla. And you can also use the high protein iced coffee. May mocha flavor tayo para sa chocolate flavor. Okay? And now, so yun, yung pag nag-crave ka sa sweets, those are the healthy alternatives, 4 healthy alternatives. Now, nag-crave ka naman ba sa creamy snack? O bakit tayo nag-crave sa creamy snack? Normally, yung mga creamy and mga smooth yung texture ng pagkain, nagpo-provide ng pleasurable or pleasure sa atin habang kinakain natin. And a lot of people associate them with comfort. Okay? So if you're looking to satisfy your craving by turning to maybe rich ice cream or mga high-fat cheeses, na-experience mo ba yun? Sinong nakaka-experience ng ganyan? Minsan, ang gusto kong kainin ice cream lang. Ganyan. I don't want any other snack. Okay? Ito po yung mga pwede nating alternative. Number 1, yogurt. Okay, sino mahilig sa yogurt dyan? Hindi ko man makikita yung ano yun, no? Type, pero type nyo lang dyan. Ako kahilig din po ako sa yogurt. Okay? Pero this time, you can choose the plain non-fat yogurt tapos haluan ng mga pampatamis like honey or maple syrup at pwede rin lagyan ng fresh fruit na lang para sa natural na sweetness. Okay? But at the same time, you have the creaminess from the yogurt. Alright? And you can also add na lang mga shake natin or rebuild and yung sport creamy vanilla for added flavor and nutrients na din at the same time. Busog ka na, di ba? Okay. Next, ito, frozen bananas. Ako ilang beses ko na itong ginawa. Hindi ko pa na-try mismo yung ganito, itong nasa picture na to. Pero ang kagandahan dito, no, you just peel the banana first. You don't just put it in the freezer na may balat pa. Mahirapan ka balatan yan after. Ginawa ko din po yun dati. Sino nang gumawa ng ganong mistake, no? Freeze daw yung banana, hindi nilagay ko diretso. That pala babalatan muna. Unless kinakain mo yung balat. Kasi meron akong kakilala na kinakain pati yung balat. Hugasan lang yung banana, tapos pati balat kinakain kasi healthy din yun, full of magnesium. Okay? So, but you can peel the banana, wrap in wax paper, and freeze. Kung wala kang wax paper, lagay mo na lang sa canister, no? Afterwards, you can slice. Ako, ginagawa ko, balatan, slice, tas lagay na sa canister. Tapos, yun na yung gagamitin kong pang shake. Isasama ko sa F1 shake tomorrow para yung flavor niya, vanilla, for example, and banana, ang sarap. Okay? And what else? Number 7, low-fat ricotta cheese. Okay? Blend with a little fruit and a dash of sweetener. So, kung hindi po kayo familiar sa ricotta cheese, okay, it's a kind of cheese na mataas sa protein. Bakit? Kasi yan yung medyo sour yung taste niya. Correct me if I'm wrong sa mga nakatikim na niyan. Okay? So, nagpo-provide siya ng protein din. So, nakakabusog. So, if you want it to be a little sweet, you can add a dash of sweetener para pudding-like yung itsura niya. And at the same time, dahil nga mataas siya sa protein, makakasatisfy siya ng hunger. Okay? And you can also add it to your shake or sa F1 creamy vanilla or pwede mo rin dagdagan pa ng PPP for additional busog feeling. Alright, ito another favorite namin to dito sa bahay, no? Yung chia pudding. Okay? You can mix 1 tablespoon ng chia pudding, no? Or chia seeds rather, chia seeds sa 1/2 cup of vanilla soy milk. Kung wala kang vanilla soy milk, any plant-based milk na lang. And hayaan mo lang muna siya for 10 minutes until mag-thicken na yung chia seeds. And then, kapag katikan na siya, top it with your favorite fresh fruit. Okay? To get that creamy flavor, creamy texture, and sweetness from the fruit. Okay? You can also add nutritional shake. So, gawin mo pagkatunaw ng chia seeds, pwede pong mag-shake ka din ng, or alog ka ng shake, tapos ihalo mo sa kanya. Ihalo mo sa chia seeds. Okay? Ang sarap po nito. All right. We have other recipes. You can ask your coaches. Okay? Now, another thing. So, pangatlo, ano ba, nakikrave ka ba minsan din sa crunchy or savory snack? Yung mga maaanghang or maaalat, no? Po dati ang hilig ko sa mga crunchy and savory snack. And dito, natutunan ko na kapag pala nakikrave tayo sa mga ganitong pagkain, natitrigger pala to ng frustration and stress. No wonder kasi dati stressful po yung trabaho ko. And ito, yung act of chewing pala and working the jaw muscles actually relieve tension. So, kaya pala yun yung hinahanap ng katawan ko that time. So, kung na-experience nyo rin po ito, hindi ka nag-iisa. And ito yung mga healthy alternatives natin. Number 9 option natin, jerky. Okay? So, sa Pilipinas, maybe hindi to ganun ka-available or yung mga pinatuyong mga meat products. Pero kung sa inyo, sa lugar nyo available, yes, this is a healthy option. Bakit? Kasi high protein snack to. Tapos chewy siya at the same time. So, ang available dito napansin ko, dito sa may Novaliches, meron ditong mga, yung dried pusit, yung mga ganon. Okay? So, their chewy texture satisfies the craving for crunch, and the protein content can also help curb hunger. Okay? So, pwede rin kung meron kayong dehydrator, pwede mong i-dehydrate yung mga vegetables. So, para na rin siyang jerky and chips available. Actually, nagiging rampant na yung availability ng mga dehydrated mga vegetables. Okay? So, be mindful lang ha. Mas maganda yung dehydrated or baked kaysa dun sa mga pinirito. Kasi syempre, we don't want it to be full of fat. Okay? Alright. Next. Okay? Cottage cheese dip. So, kanina ricotta, ito cottage cheese. If you're familiar po sa kesong puti, okay? Ito yon. Pwede mong haluan din ng mustard. Okay? Another thing na natutunan ko, instead of mayonnaise na mataas yung calories, pwede mong ilagay mustard. Or you can compare yung mga Mayo Magic, mas mababa yung calories doon with the same texture. You can add it to your cottage cheese. Pwede mong gawing dip or pwede rin palaman sa tinapay na let's say imbes na white bread, you can choose wheat bread. Okay? And or pwede rin tong pang dip doon sa ginawa mo, gagawin mo, let's say dehydrated na mga or mga in-air fry na mga gulay. Alright? So, pwede mo rin dagdagan ng personalized protein powder kasi wala namang lasa yon. But at the same time, it will give you the busog feels. Alright? Pwede mo rin haluan ng aloe concentrate para sa added flavor. Alright? And, syempre, nutrients. Okay, kale chips naman, we have kale chips, this is also easy to make. So kailangan lang tanggalin yung mga stems, kunin mo yung mga leaves, and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, pagka-wash mo, i-dry mo lang really thoroughly. Tapos, pwede mo na siyang i-bake. Okay, lagyan mo olive oil, salt. Okay, spread mo siya sa baking sheet and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Or pwede rin sa air fryer. Alright, basta less oil. Okay, gusto lang natin mapaka-crunch natin siya para at least yung kakainin natin yung kakainin mo ay healthy chips. But you get the texture. Okay, you can also use herbal aloe concentrate as a dip or dressing, or kung naghahanap ka pa ng something na maiinom, you can pair this with our tea. Alright? And lastly, ito paborito ko. Main favorite ko mula nung nag-switch na ako from the unhealthy chips. So, I realized popcorn pala is really better. Okay? So, after popping, you can dust it with a little low-fat Parmesan cheese or yung mga nutritional yeast or chili powder to satisfy that craving. So, hindi po kontrabida ang popcorn. We can use this as a healthy snack. Alright? Pero naging unhealthy lang siya based dun sa ina-add natin sa kanya. So kung i-add mo yan ng butter na high fat, ayun, dun lang po siya nagiging unhealthy. So you can pair this. Ako favorite ko, no, pag nanonood kami ng Netflix ng mga anak ko or ng asawa ko, ito, popcorn. Sometimes pag wala ng mga Parmesan cheese, hindi kayo na lang siya diretso. Okay, pair with cold herbal aloe concentrate and herbal tea concentrate. Yung kaninang pinromote talaga. Yung kaninang favorite ni Coach Cecil, di ba? Na beverage, na pamalit sa mga soda-soda. Alright? So yan, I hope meron akong na-share sa inyo na journey. All right. And let's just be reminded, I'm so proud that we are in this community where we have all the products that can cater to all our different family needs. Okay. Weight management man yan, gut health man yan, or heart health, healthy aging, even skin health. Okay. We have all the products na lahat um, award-winning. So talagang mapagkakatiwalaan natin na safe sa ating pamilya. All right? So let me just leave you with this message, no? Our lives are fashioned by our choices. First, we make our choices. Then, our choices make us. Okay? So yung mga everyday decision po natin, nagmamatter yan. Di mo man makikita agad yung effect sa'yo for today, pero there are times that our choices really make matter for the day. Pero one of the things na talaga, or some of the things na natutunan ko dito, nutrition is a choice. Healthy living is a choice. And application of learning is a choice. So, it's just as simple as choosing anong ba kakainin ko, putas na lang ba, or Dunkin' Donuts, Dunkin' talaga, no? Or donuts na full of sugar. So, it's really up to you. But whatever choices we make today will definitely impact our future. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much, everyone, for staying and for um, listening to our topic today. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Je! Kasi pakyaw mo lahat.